Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So to scan a QR code with an iPhone, it's pretty simple. First, you want to open up your camera app. Once you have opened up your camera app, just point your camera at any QR code, as you can see here, and it's going to be shown here. If you don't click on it, it will disappear. So let's do this again. App Store or Wikipedia, boom, click, and it's going to open up the Wikipedia page. And that's pretty much it. So you just remove the camera and it's going to stay here, press X to remove it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.